Ya ka jaka ya kai pengat bapau khmat bat balarim kenong ba Shillong ka Nan Polok Words Lake sian on sa Shimti biang dakat na tourism ka balamang hadu khat prak lur tingka ban shnai ki jingte ki ban kring bat ban penbyrngia ya ki nong wan shangkai sha kanong ba Shillong u menteri ka tnat tourism uba po lingdo hawa pentip ya kani ha ka shiphodri ya yong ulaong Ngilaya syakmat ha kabayade bat ke jingpynbyrngia biang ya ka Nan Polok ka bakmi wanta da katanat forest and environment. Ka Nan Polok kumba pitim wat ka jingking ka bapau khmat bat ka ba kring ya kinong wan shangkai ka dei ka bajudon bat katanat tourism. Hendrai namar ki kato ni ki daw la Shimti bat kmi da katanat forest. Hendrai minta ngila shim ya ka rai ha ka jingyalang bat la panyai da menteri rang ba on penpai biang sya katanat tourism. Kat bang idang ya keren ngila dep ru ban mang ya ka song pisa ka bahadu khat prak lur tengka na ka benta ban pen itnat shu ya keni kanan kentup ya ka jing shnai ki jingte kum ki cafe ki sound bat lights show bat ki wei ulam benram nalor kata ulam pen benaru ba ka por ban khang ya kanan Polok on penjalan na ka san beje jan miet sya ka shpo beje men miet hadin bangila Shimti pura ya keni kanan ngin sa pentik nan kong ban pen kelano ya kapor kata kapor ban khang kanom long shu san beje jan miet henry kan long hadu shipho beje men miet bat kan long ru ka jaka ka ban kring ya kinong yai kai pangat haringkat ke jingpynbyrngia na ka bentak wan shangkai sha kani kanong ba Shillong ki baju ut halor ke jingbom don ke jingpynbyrngia ya ki por jan miet ong uba pol habakeli uba pol ulaong ngin penlong ru ya kita masa ngin sayo i ya ki ya ki ba ki sorba ba pakmat ki la banle ngin kentiu ya ki babun rukom ki jingpynbyrngia hapok kani kanan
have now gone ahead with retransferring the Wards Lake, the iconic Wards Lake, which is currently with Forest and Environment Department, to the Tourism Department. The Wards Lake, as you know, has even the bridge, which is iconic and symbolic of Meghalaya. It has always been with Tourism Department, but because of certain factors, it was under the custody, the care of the Forest Department. But now we have decided at a meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister that it be retransferred to Tourism Department. So as we speak, we have already allocated a sum of 18 crores for the immediate development of the lake, including facilities like cafes, sound and light shows, etc. And these facilities, once we are in formal possession of the lake, we will ensure first that the timings will change. The closure will not be 5 p.m. as it is today, it will be 10 p.m. and it will also create facilities for leisure and entertainment for visitors to Shillong who complain of not having any activities during evening hours. It will also help our government employees to, the offices close at 5 and the lake shuts at 5. So at least they should have some time to walk around and do physical exercise. A major attraction would be the sound and light show because this will also attract people. We will have events, we will have shows, something that other cities, more advanced cities, have been able to manage. So we will upscale the entertainment value of the lake. It has always been with the Tourism Department, and we are now seeking its retransfer to the department from the Forest Department, which has been agreed upon a couple of weeks back. We would like it to be, it has always been a major tourist destination and attraction, but now because of its early closure, the fact that it is not well lit, the fact that there is a dearth of staff to handle the various activities, all of these have been impediments which we will now overcome once this comes back to us, and that decision has already been taken. That is part of the funding, the sanction
So my
amount.
point is, will the tourism department, once it take over, will also try to expand?
We will expand, certainly, because we expect the footfalls to go more than double. So obviously we'll have to create facilities for movement of pedestrians and movement of motorists. And yeah, as I said, a major attraction would be the sound and light show, musical fountain. There'll be cafes. There'll be facilities for families who visit, and there'll also be entertainment zones for kids. So those are all part of the package, which will be covered by the initial investment of 18 crores.
So entry would be charged?
We will work on that once the lake is transferred to us formally.
Right.